Open google.com and sign in using any of your existing Gmail accounts. After logging in, open the link I will provide in the video description. Now, paste your logged in Gmail account. Then, hit the Generate button. Instantly, you'll see hundreds of Gmail accounts, in my case, 512 emails, created without the need for a phone number or recovery email. You can copy and store these emails wherever you prefer, whether that's your inbox, a text document, or another safe place. To test that everything works as it should, take one of the generated emails and go to Facebook. Paste it into the sign-up form, fill in the required details, and click Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your email. Keep in mind that all codes and account-related messages will arrive in your primary Gmail inbox, the same one you use to sign into the generator. Also, all generated accounts share the same password as your primary email, so there's no need to manage separate passwords. Once you receive the code, copy it from your inbox, paste it into the form, and your new account will be successfully created. You can now use these emails to register on Twitter, Instagram, or any other social platform with ease. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech guides just like this one. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.